Hi everybody and welcome back to Melody Maker Part 2. I've already made us a melody. Let's listen to it. Nice, calm, not too fast. Now the thing we didn't talk about last time was this button right here. In Songmaker we talked about stacking notes, but you'll notice that if I click a new button in here, it doesn't allow me to do more than one at a time. Now, that just means we can't stack vertically, but what we can do is stack the other way, horizontally. What we're going to do to stack horizontally is click this button, and we're going to have an echo. Oh, let's see what that sounds like. Oh, that's pretty cool. So these shadow gray boxes have a double of the sound. Let's look at it a little more closely. I'm going to pause it, I'm going to hit refresh, and let's start over. Let's just add one note. Click the echo button. Oh, it skips a square and throws out a gray square over here. Let's hear what that sounds like. So we hear the first note nice and strong, and then its echo 2 squares later, a little softer. Every time I add a note, it's going to throw that echo out over there. So it moves horizontally, but this ends up getting us a small stack of notes where the echo is above or below the colored note based on what came before it. Remember, you can change notes as your melody plays. You don't like how something sounds? Click on another one. You don't always need to use the echoes either. You can turn it back off for something simpler. Something I recommend doing is writing down the colors, and you could take one of these melodies over to Songmaker. So let's go write it down. Teal, yellow, blue, red, green, purple, yellow, orange. You could write that down, go over to Songmaker if you like how it sounds, and write those colors and click them into the song there. Use Melody Maker as something to try out your melodies, your notes for Songmaker. That should be a lot of fun. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye, everybody.